How to Create a Morning Routine. In his book, Tools of Titans, Tim Ferriss examines the habits, strategies, and philosophies of some of the most successful people on the planet. From startup entrepreneurs to Hollywood actors to musicians to software engineers and athletes. What is surprising looking through this excellent book is just how many things these great individuals have in common, just how many commonalities there are between such a diverse cast of characters. What Tim found, among other things, is that almost all of these interviewees had some kind of morning routine. They all had some series of habits that started their day. Looking online, it's clear to see that many other successful people also encourage this practice. So, how do you go about coming up with a morning routine of your own, and perhaps emulating some of their success? Wake up earlier. One of the first crucial tips if you want to get more out of your day is to wake up earlier. If you wake up early, then you'll have more time to get yourself in the correct frame of mind before you launch yourself out into the open world. This is something a lot of people struggle with, but it can make a huge difference to your life if you can overcome the urge to hit snooze. Meditate or journal. Once you're up, one of the best things you can do is to engage in some form of self-reflection. The challenge for many of us is that as soon as our day starts, we're forced to launch straight into responding to emails, dealing with complaints, and generally being reactive. Start your day in a calm manner and reflect, and you'll be better able to handle this barrage. Exercise. If you plan to exercise at the end of the day, then you will often find yourself too tired and strung out to do so. This is often the reality. Exercise before your day begins, though, and you'll always know that you'll always have that under your belt before you begin. This will also give you a boost in energy and an early win, both of which will help you to start your day right. If you don't feel like working out, then doing some yoga or just some stretches can also work well. Other activities. If you time your wake-up well and give yourself enough time before you need to leave the house or begin work, then this is also a good time to practice a hobby, do some reading, or catch up on the news. Anything you'd like to become a regular part of your day, add here.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.